How to open back of the vintage watch. Any watch on the back. They have different configuration here, but we got that Elgin vintage watch. First you need that brick that will help to open safer your watch. Okay, can put here, and it's adjustable, turn up. Alright, done. Secure. Second, you need that back opener. That is adjustable for any size, going bigger or smaller, and that one going up and down here, and that one's going by here. Alright, just adjust it for your points here, openers. Okay. Sometimes you have to be very accurate to open it, sometimes not so easy. I think it's loose, let's see. Turning. Alright, got it. Open. It's automatic. Elgin vintage watch. Thank you for looking. Good luck.